Alright, I'm getting ready to shoot another video of how to make a custom business card holder. This is going to be out of yellow heart wood. I'm going to start with a 6x6 1-inch thick piece of yellow heart wood. So I've got it right here. I've marked it out. I'm going to cut it right here, and then I'm going to have a 6x6 piece, and we'll look at that in just a second after I cut this right here. Okay, I've cut that piece. Now I've marked it out, the design that I want to make. This is going to be the base backup place. This is going to be the backup shoe that goes on the back of it. I'm going to cut this piece right here for the tray for the business cards to sit on. And this piece is going to be a custom design that I'm going to show you of what it's going to look like. It's going to be really special and unique. So let me cut this all out with the bandsaw, and then we'll look at it here in just a second. Okay, so I got through cutting this all out. I've cut my base, which is right here, and it's on a 15-degree angle, so it's going to set up like that. So that'll be the base of the card holder right there. And then we've cut the piece that's the backstop for the base, and it goes right here. I'll show you that. It goes right there. It'll be right there. It's going to be glued and pinned. And then these pieces right here are going to be really unique, so I want to lay those out a little bit different and show them to you. So let me move those around, and then we'll take a look at it here in just a second. Okay, I wanted to show you how these pieces are going to come apart. This one I ripped it on the table saw and got a 15-degree angle on it. So that's going to be the tray for the cards to sit on. So it'll be flipped upside down like that, and it'll sit on the base at an angle. And then this piece is going to be, we're going to bring that over here. So this is going to get a little bit complicated. We're going to take the piece that's right here that I've cut, and I've ripped that off, and so that's going to be sitting right there. So we're going to put that piece there, this piece there, and then this piece is I've kind of tapered that down so that it fits right here. So I have three pieces right there. So I'm going to glue these three together, and then I'll show you the next step of what we're going to wind up with here in just shortly. Okay, I put those pieces together that I was showing you, and then I've already cut some of this here, but I went ahead and I took a pattern. I had a heart, and I laid it on here, and I cut out the heart. So I've got a heart shape there. And so I went ahead and cut all this. So this is a scrap piece. This is a scrap piece. And then I'm going to, I had some bloodwood, like this piece right here. And I ripped these pieces off right here. I ripped all these pieces off and made little squares on them. And I'll show you what I did on the other side of the heart, which is going to be the front side. So this is going to be the front side. So I put the bloodwood here, yellow heart here. The yellow heart is from the scraps here, and the bloodwood is just a piece of scrap bloodwood that I had. So I thought I'd give it a little more look than just being all yellow heart. So it's going to, and I've sanded this around the edges, and I polished it out, buffed it out. Then I'm going to put some kind of stones in the center of this. So as soon as I get ready to put the stones in, pick out the color that I want to put, I'll show you that. But the point of this backside is to give it a little more place to put the brass rod on that it's going to be mounted onto the card holder. So let's take a look at the next step. Okay, I wanted to show you these pieces. I've got them kind of laid out here. This is the base plate. I just got through sanding it. I still have to sand the backstop that goes on the back here, and that'll be pinned and glued. And then I decided on the tray here, I'm going to put the tray right here on the front out of yellow heart, but I'm going to accent it with a piece of bloodwood so that it'll kind of match the heart when I get the heart mounted on there. So it's going to look pretty nice. When I get it done, I'm going to put the bloodwood on the yellow heart tray, finish up some more sanding, and then we'll take a look at it here shortly. Okay, I just got through sanding the bloodwood and gluing it onto the business card holder tray. I've drilled 2 holes in the back here so I can put some pins in it. I've cut these roofing nails, and they're gonna be, I'm gonna put them in right here. They're gonna stick out, and then I'll hold it up here and push it in and mark those spots, and then drill it and glue the tray on. I'm going to put it at an angle like this so it gives it a little more character. So let me get that done, and then we'll look back at it here in just a second. Okay, I finally got this the heart done. I put some reaxated jasper in the polished stones and some hematite in there. So this is going to go on the, and I glued all this together. I've got the bloodwood and the tray. I put the backstop on, so everything's complete. And then we're going to put the brass rod right in here. Put it in there, not that easy also. Get it the right direction. There we go. Okay, and this, the heart sets right on there. I drilled a hole in the bottom of it, and it's going to set right there. There we go. Okay, so there's the complete piece. Business card holder with a heart. This swivels around on the brass rod. It's complete. Let me get back and take a little better look at it. There it is, finished. Looks real nice. The bloodwood, yellow heartwood, and the stone, the polished stone that I put inside of the heart. So complete. Looks very nice. Finished up. And so that's how I made this business card holder. Anyway, look forward to looking at some more projects here in the future. Have a blessed day. Keep walking with Jesus.